Let me try it for you. This is so good. The texture is so nice. And the mango that I'm chewing here on top, which is the added mango, it's definitely delicious and you need to try these. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and today's recipe is another simple recipe and we all love it, we crave it and we appreciate it, and this is something fantastic that I love to enjoy as a dessert. And if you are like me, then definitely this recipe is going to be fun or something you're going to love and want to try in your kitchen. So today's recipe, I'm showing you how to make something called nice cream. This is because it's not actually an ice cream, but it's something close to that, and we are going to give it a name which we are going to call an ice cream. And today's recipe is going to come from very simple ingredients which are all over the place. Like the mango season here in Kenya is coming up, and we are going to have lots of mangoes all over the place. For bananas, they are grown all over the country and we never miss them any time of year. So these are simple ingredients which you can find anytime if you wish to fix this nice cream. Another fun thing about this recipe is that the ingredients are going to be as follows. These ripe bananas, and you want to get the bananas that have spotted like this one, because these are more creamier and they are more sweet, so they are going to make a very nice cream for our recipe. And you also need to get any type of mango which is ripe, because it's also going to be creamier and sweet, so you don't need extra sweetener for this recipe. But if you love to add sweetener, then you can go ahead and add some honey or whatever else you like to sweeten your nice cream. So it's very simple, 2 ingredients nice cream. So it's a mango banana nice cream. We'll call it mango banana nice cream. And we are just going to have our simple gadget here, which is a blender. I use this Philips blender. It works perfectly for me. And I have this spatula just to squeeze my ingredients inside when I'm trying to blend it up. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and serve my nice cream. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video and make ourselves something yummy. So the first thing you need to do is to have prepared your banana and mango, and then cut it or chop it into small bite pieces, and then you can freeze them for around 4 hours. So I have already done the pre-preparation. So I have had some bananas cut and frozen. I also have a mango which has been cut and frozen overnight. So I'm just going to get those out and then we can get into the recipe. I have my ingredients which I just popped from the freezer. These are 2 medium-sized bananas, like these ones I've shown you, but they are well ripe. And then this is 2 chopped up mangoes, and this recipe serves around 3 people. So I will start with putting a bit of mango. Then I'll add just 2 pieces of, let me bring it closer. I'll add 2 bits of my ice cube to melt with the liquid. And then I'll put a portion of my bananas. So our ice cream is done, it's ready. So you can opt to serve it like it is. This is the consistency, you know, it's just like a soft serve. You can serve it like that, or you can opt to put it in a container like this one. So you can opt to serve it like this. Go ahead, I have some mangoes here just to add a bit of flavor to this. And then the rest I'm going to just put it in this bowl here. And let it sit in my freezer for about 1 to 2 hours, and then it's just going to have the right consistency like that one of an ice cream. So I'm definitely going to put this bad boy in my freezer for about 2 hours, and then I'm going to serve it later. But the best part of this whole recipe is coming up, and I'm going to come back and try out this one for you guys and tell you how exactly it tastes. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and try this one out. This is really nice. It's so creamy, you see, because the bananas were ripe, the mango was ripe, it is sweet. You definitely need to try this out, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So I hope you loved this video and you're excited to just try out this nice cream. I'm sure you're going to love it, and especially if you love your dessert and you love to eat ice cream, this is definitely a healthier option that is guilt-free, and you can just indulge in it anytime you feel like. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys. Bye bye.